Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can add an alarm clock on this device. Start by tapping on clock. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now set up an hour and when you're ready choose OK. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up. Click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on this bell icon over here. Now just dismiss and pick one of those melodies. As your alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you and going back. You can also though click on add new, select music from your device by tapping at the top left corner, picking one of the services like downloads, tapping on the best song for you. Oh, you don't have it over here, so I guess I need to go into send anywhere folder and tap on it. Now go back and click on this little icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, click on this icon above the switcher again and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!